Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study general science for UPSC. Begin by thoroughly understanding the syllabus for the general science section, which covers both foundational concepts and recent developments. Focus on building a strong base in physics, chemistry, and biology. Remember to prioritize key areas like biotechnology, space technology, and information technology, as these often carry significant weight in the examination. For a solid foundation, start with NCERT textbooks from Class 6 to Class 10. These books simplify complex topics, making them easy to grasp. If you need more depth, consider Advanced NCERT for Class 11 and Class 12, especially for biology. Additionally, choose one comprehensive general science book specifically designed for UPSC to cover all relevant topics efficiently. Current affairs are crucial for the science and technology section. Make it a habit to read daily newspapers and follow reliable news websites for the latest developments. Analyzing previous years' questions will give you insights into the exam pattern and help identify important topics. Ensure you practice both objective questions for the prelims and subjective questions for the mains to hone your analytical skills. Effective revision is key to retaining information. Create concise notes, focusing on key facts and concepts for quick review sessions. Use diagrams and flowcharts to simplify complex scientific processes and improve memory recall. Regularly test yourself with mock exams to assess your preparation level. And speaking of smart solutions, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Consistent effort and smart strategies will help you excel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.